Good morning, guys. Okay, I just wanted to say good morning because I don't know when I'll get a chance to. I am already at work. It's currently 8:20, so I have to be at work in like 10 minutes. I'm always a little bit early. So I just wanted to say good morning and hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. See you soon. busy editing, and I realized I never said that I am home or anything. And to be fair, I just came home and we wrapped a few presents and then watched a family movie. We watched Christopher Robin, so it wasn't too exciting or anything too fancy, but I just wanted to say good night and God bless, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hey guys, as you may have noticed, the past few videos I have kind of been in there, but it's not much of like me talking or me really doing anything. So I just wanted to say that I'm sorry for that. It's just been hectic, and I've been really tired, and so on. So it's just been a struggle, but yeah. Hopefully within the next week or so, things kind of start slowing down to the point of I have at least 6 hours in the day that I can actually dedicate towards the video, just the video alone. But we'll see. Obviously, it depends on work and all of those things. So I am sorry that I haven't been as much in the videos as what I should be, but hopefully in the near future I'll be able to. Okay, so thanks for understanding, guys.